Sakit sa lupa eh.
Hatanaw. So we're going to the reception first, right? Look at that. The place is very secured, guys. Kasi mayroon siyang police dito sa gilid. And then, hindi allowed ang visitors masok sa accommodation mo. Pwede lang sa public areas, but they cannot like stay in your room. The money. Yeah.
The money. So just keep it safe with you. We only issuing it one time because we are not reissuing it again. Just keep it safe with you. So this one you can either do it today or tomorrow. But
Can we use this for the third day?
Tomorrow. Since this expired, you can pass by the reception. You're supposed to get 2 sets of wristbands.
So the guy will take us to the caravan. That's cool. Thank you. Harry. This is our caravan. Room 6.
Okay, we'll ask the guy. So, okay.
The main bedroom is here.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the child is here, right?
Yes.
Main room.
Extension. For Aaron, for you.
Couch.
There's a TV here. Ah, this one. Okay. TV at the door.
Wow.
Yeah. Gabos.
Dito na yung aming caravan.
Kung gamit ha?
Sure. Ayan na. Ito na yung master bed. Closet. Living area. We also have a TV. This time it's not allowed to cook. We thought pwedeng magluto but it's not allowed. Lock for safety reasons. Only use barbecue. So, yung pinanood namin yung ibang vlogs, pwedeng magluto. You can bring your own food. So, we bought some food like egg, pancake. Eh, hindi pala pwede. Ito naman yung fridge nila. I don't know how to open it. Ah, there. This is the toilet, I believe. And this is the children's room. Bunk bed. Ayan. Ito naman yung view sa labas. Natid niya na yung charcoal. Let's see. I think ito na yung charcoal, guys. And a set of utensils. Hi, guys! So, ito na yung nabook namin for tonight. Caravan number 6. Ang observation ko naman ito is 2 rooms. May master bedroom at saka may bunk bed. Tapos in-expect kasi namin na mayroong lutuan, may cooking wares, cutleries and all, pero tinanggal na pala nila for safety reasons. So ang nag-provide lang sila for us ng charcoal dito at saka barbecue utensils. So, buti na lang hindi kami bumili ng mga meats. Kasi yun sana yung plano namin ni Buds. Bumili ng meats, chicken and beef for 3 days na food. So, ang nadala ko lang is eggs, pancake, spread and bread. So, yung na-brief sa akin initially na may mga gamit na sa caravan. But it's okay. And then, pinuntahan pala namin yung Damani Lounge ba yan? Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Meron siyang available room for tonight until tomorrow. But sabi ni Wads, dito na lang muna kami for a night. Dyan sa caravan. Tapos move na lang kami tomorrow there. Kasi medyo maaliwalas dun, at saka ang ganda ng view. Ang downside lang is uphill. So syempre kung pupunta ka dito to access the restaurants or yung mga activities, bababa ka talaga. Ipakita ko sa inyo. See? That's the... So may available dyan na room. Isa. Somewhere. I'm not sure kung saan yun, but may isang available dyan. Parang napakataas na. Nakakatakot, but safe naman. Ayan, yan yung view niya. Ang ganda. Ayan. Nandiyan naman yung zipline. Ito naman yung mga caravans. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tapos meron pa mga maliliit na caravan doon. Na mga good for 2. Ito kasing caravan namin na binook is good for 3. Ayan, C06, caravan number 6. Yeah, this is all for today. At least nakita nyo yung itsura ng caravan. And tomorrow I'm going to make another video for the Damani Lounge. That's the birthday boy. Hi, birthday boy! Hello. So si birthday boy, gusto niya talagang magstay dito dahil kaganahan ko siya dito magstay. Hindi ko siya mahawa. Gusto niya diga. So, yan naman yung caravan. Yan lang siya. So, yan yung master bedroom, living room, and kitchen. Doon yung bunk bed. Tapos ito, pwede mo itong you can also open this one. Ito siya. Pwede mo itong ma-open. Yan. So, it's pretty nice. We're so good. Good thing is we arrived here safely, and because Buddy wants to celebrate his birthday only for the 3 of us. Wala mo na mga kaguluhan. Sirado mo na ang BBG. So yung breakfast dito at saka yung ibang restaurants is third parties. So hanggang 10 PM ata yung mga restaurants dito eh. Very secured ang place kasi may police talaga siya. When you enter the right side, mayroon talaga siyang police station. So very secured siya. Tapos dito, as I mentioned, hindi allowed ang guests makapasok sa room ninyo. Pwede mo sila i-meet up outside the public area or sa mga restaurants, but they cannot enter here. So ang may access lang dito exclusively for the guests lang. So very strict sila. Tingnan natin yung ibang caravan, guys. Okay? Magmarites tayo dito. So yan yung ibang caravan sa gilid-gilid namin. Diyan nakapark yung car ni Buds. So may option din siya na hindi dalhin yung car, but hindi na namin para kung gusto namin pumunta ng restaurant. Hindi na kami tatawag ng buggy. Okay, that's all for now. We'll see you tomorrow. Kain muna kami for dinner.
Yes, you like one butter caramel, yes?
23 and the sandwich 30.
Okay. So that will be 2 sandwiches.
Thank you, Mike. I'll keep that in mind, Mike.
It's okay.
Tomorrow, Michael will give us a discount.
For sure, Michael discount.
Michael discount? 100%.
Staff discount. 100?
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. That's all fine. That's fine. That's right. Thank you very much.
Let's party! Mag-decorate na tayo na. Ayan. What about your baso rin?